Before starting, ensure the machine is disconnected from the power supply. Open the sealing jaw and using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the plastic covers. Then, loosen the screws on the fixing plates. Slide the upper PTFE out from under the silver plate. Push the terminal spring in to disconnect the heating element. Peel off the lower PTFE strip. Clean the sealing base with an alcohol-based solvent before fitting the new strip. Apply the new lower PTFE strip. Then trim the excess with a sharp knife. Fit the new heating element, and using a screwdriver, pull the terminal spring forward. Bend the new upper PTFE cloth and slide it between the fixing plates. Ensure it is centered evenly on both sides and tighten the fixing plate screws. Refit the plastic covers tightly. Turn on the unit. Do a test seal to ensure the elements are working correctly. Your benchtop sealer is ready for use.